Hello everyone, am I in focus? Yeah, good enough. Good morning, it is a Sunday morning and I am just getting started with some work things. I actually have a pretty full to-do list now that the desk is here. I feel a little bit more official. Am I in focus? I can't tell. Okay. So right now I am going through my budget spreadsheet like I talked about in the systems video, and I'm just going through, I'm inputting the transactions I made yesterday, making sure that the amounts match, and yeah, just making sure there are no iffy things. And like I said, usually there aren't. I had to close a card recently, like a couple of weeks ago, because someone got a hold of the information and made a very small but still made a purchase with my credit card information, or not credit card, but with my debit card info. I am transitioning into a place where I just totally use my credit card for spending, and then I just pay off the balance at the end of the month, because your purchases are just a little bit more, or a lot more protected when you do that. And I know a lot of people do that anyway, but I don't. I usually just use my debit card because it's easier for me to manage. It takes a little bit more responsibility to purely use your credit cards. I also don't really have any like super grown-up credit cards right now because I don't know, I just haven't made that a focus. But I think there is a lot that you can do with points and all that, but that's not what this conversation is about. I am basically just working throughout the day to create content that's going to go out for the rest of the week. I am starting a beta coaching program for Gentler, so I am going to be introducing my first coaching client. I'm super excited. I'm going to be making this available for everyone within the new year, but for right now I'm just working with her to get my process down and also get some results for her so that we can start expanding with Gentler. Yeah, so I'm just going to be working and gonna film today's Vlogmas video. I think this video that I'm doing right now is gonna go up on, I have my schedule right here. It's gonna go up on Thursday, so it'll be the last day that you can get the ebook for pre-order, so definitely do that if you haven't already. The Gentler Guide to Goal Setting, that'll be in the description box. And if you pre-order it, you can buy for $15 and also get free 6-month access to Club Gentler, which is going to be our new membership platform. It's starting January 1st. I'm super excited. It's going to be something that I've been trying to do for probably over a year now. I kind of hinted at what it's going to look like. I doubt anyone caught it, but if you do, comment down below on what you think the distinguishing feature of Club Gentler is going to be. Let me know. Anyway, I am just working on those pieces, doing a lot of big picture stuff. So like I said, the coaching, I'm working on the platform for Club Gentler, and then creating content. I am at a point now where I can create content in like an hour and take all my Instagram photos. Just a matter of, do I use an hour? But yeah, so I'm going to be doing that. I got to record podcast episodes, yada yada. I will check in later. Hello everyone. I'm hoping that thing's okay. Nope. Okay, you know what? We'll fix it and post it. It is about 4 p.m. and I have been doing computer work this time. I took a break for lunch, which y'all will see in, or you already did see in the video that went up on Sunday, which is today. I did a what I eat in a day video. Now that it's 4, I have probably a good hour before the sun goes down, so I want to go ahead and get the Instagram pictures out of the way, because like I said, I can usually do that in about an hour. Let me look and see if there are any videos I need to plan. So I write everything down on this thing, this calendar or planner I think I showed y'all earlier. And the colors mean like which platform the content's gonna go live on. So I'm not really too worried about a lot of the videos, but I do want to get these pictures out of the way. I just trailed off. I don't know where I went, but yeah, so I'm gonna do some photos real quick. I really only need I need 5 pictures, and I need those pictures. I need probably 3 outfits, so it's really not bad. I'm gonna shoot 5 pics. We'll be fine. We'll do it. When I shoot pictures like this for Instagram, and you all can see, I usually use this tripod. I ordered it years ago, I think. Phone goes right up here. It can stretch, really big, so I can do full-length photos with this. And then I have a remote somewhere. I think it's in my tech drawer, and so I can just shoot. It's like a Bluetooth remote. I can just shoot it remotely like that. So it's really simple. I really will just snap it, and I like it better than using my camera a lot of the time because I can see exactly, yes, I can use my phone to shoot remotely with my camera, but I can't stare at my phone. I can use my phone as a remote, but with using my phone to take the pictures, I can see exactly what the camera is capturing. So I can take pictures a lot quicker because I'm spending less time trying to get that perfect shot. And I can see pretty much, okay, this is exactly what I need. Let me snap the photo, let's do it, and then that's it. So love that for me. I'm gonna shoot some photos, and yeah, I will let you all in on that. All right, so as y'all can see, that last one really took a lot out of me. Let me turn off the air so y'all can hear me a little bit better. It is, oops, sorry. Just trying to get things tidy. Y'all know how I like it. Okay, cool. So it is about 4:30, yes? Yeah, or it was actually closer to 5. The time on my stove is just all the way wrong. I am about to make dinner because it's time to eat, and also that's the last meal I need to do for the what I eat in a day that's going up today. So I think I said this video is going up on Thursday. I might put it up tomorrow just because that makes the most sense production wise. Shoot something that one day and then edit it that night, put it up the next day, yada yada. That way I'm not filming and editing and uploading on the same day anymore. Ooh, that wasn't aggressive. But anyway, I am about to start cooking. I am making a 1-pot pasta situation. I'm trying to, I know I'm being really annoying with the camera movements. I'm trying to unscrew something on the bottom. So I haven't made this recipe before ever, and I've been putting it off for a while, largely because looking at the ingredients, I think when I first saw it, let me find it. So I use the app Kitchen Stories. I've been using it recently to get recipe ideas because I was kind of getting bored with making the same things, And whenever I get bored with the food I make, that's what causes me to eat out a lot of the time. And sometimes I'm just gonna eat out, like that's fine. Like yesterday I ordered food because I was working for so long. I really don't like to break my flow when I'm working with gentler stuff to cook all the time, because I need that energy and that all that to work. Okay, so if you all can see, here is the meal, and it looks fine. I guess like when I read the ingredients the second time, I just wasn't really into the whole thing. I don't know. And then it's in grams, and I'm like, I don't know like what grams are. I'm lazy, y'all. I hate having to do conversions for everything. But I'm gonna make it tonight because I have all the ingredients. That was another thing. So the other day when I ordered that vegetable stock, I needed it for this recipe because I didn't have any. And the substitutes, like for most things you can substitute for something else, but I didn't have like anything I really wanted to substitute. Like I could have used chicken or beef stock, but I didn't have either one of those. I usually have some chicken broth on hand, but for some reason I just didn't have any. So I've been putting this recipe off. My expectations are pretty low, I'm gonna be honest, just by looking at the ingredients. We will see, and I will be happy to state whether or not I'm wrong. I'll be happy to be wrong in this situation for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it so I can film the last part of the video and I can have it up hopefully by 7. Yeah, and then I have a family Zoom call that I do every Sunday, so I'm gonna do that at that time as well. I'm tired, if you can't tell. Everyone, so I finished dinner. I am back at my desk in the office. I made a cup of tea, a hefty one because I am a little cold, so I want something to warm me up. Did I speak about this earlier? This is for a project. Please don't be alarmed. I'm not a serial killer. I don't even know if this is serial killer-y, but it's normal. I think. I finished dinner, like I said, thoughts on dinner, because in my what I eat in a day video, I promised my thoughts in this video. I liked it. Would I make it again? Maybe. I say maybe because it wasn't like the taste, like the flavor profile that I typically enjoy. I don't think it was a bad meal. It was just, remember like when I was saying before that like just reading the ingredients, I didn't think I would really like it when I was reading the seasonings and like herbs and stuff. It wasn't what I was expecting because I really didn't know what I was expecting. I cook, but I couldn't tell you like, ooh, it needs a hint of thyme or basil, whatever, none of that stuff. So wasn't what I was expecting, but still wasn't really what I was looking for. But with that being said, all the ingredients were super simple. It was a very quick thing. Like, I've never made any one-pot pasta before, so I mean, like, I pretty much just left it there. You all saw. What else? Oh, the ingredients were also pretty cheap. I don't know if I said that or not, but yeah, it was just onions, garlic, spaghetti, spinach, tomatoes, vegetable stock. The most expensive thing I probably had was the cheese. I just had like a wedge of Parmesan cheese to grate on top, and yeah, that was pretty much it. So most of that stuff I usually have on hand anyway, so maybe if I was in a crunch and I just need something quick to eat, but I probably would just order Uber Eats, to be honest. So I don't know. But like I said, I use the app Kitchen Stories. So that's what I have been trying to use to get more interesting meal ideas. I might try HelloFresh at some point. I've never had my own HelloFresh, I don't think. I think like my grandma had HelloFresh once, and then I did another meal delivery kit a couple of times because I was working with them on a campaign a couple of years ago. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you all so much for being with me. I am going to just finish up working for another couple of hours, get this vlog up, or get the what I eat in a day up, and then I am going to shoot the evening self-care routine. As you can see, it is much needed. So with all that being said, I will talk to you all again tomorrow.